Alright, my friends, hello, this is Mark Gray from TWOM. Not that you probably give a shit about that, but I'm going to be having a look at the MK235 wireless keyboard and mouse combination. Now, I got it delivered locally, so that away. This is what it looks like. Now, just to show you what I'm using just now, let me change my position here. So, I look at these keyboards all the time and I'm thinking to myself, I want something, I'd be happy to pay for something that costs a lot more money. But they're all gaming keyboards, they're all big, and I have kind of limited space here with a laptop, monitor, stream deck, big mouse pad, microphone, etc. So, yeah, you can see the space that I have. It's not a lot, so I need a keyboard that fits it. And it seems to be that all of the keyboards that fit it come with a mouse attached. So the last keyboard that I had was, again, basically the exact same one as the black one that I'm using, which is the MK295. I mean, you can probably see from the camera it got really dirty from my own hands, and then I gave it to my kids to play with. So yeah, that one lasted about a year. This one, again, pretty dirty because I do eat at my desk. This again is the black version of the MK295 and it's supposed to be silent. Now I'll just turn it off and we can see. It's okay, it's not like crazy silent, but yeah, so I decided to go ahead and get this new one, which I thought looked, because of the buttons, I thought it looked like it would be very resilient. It even says that you can like drop water on this and it won't make it won't change. Problem I'm having just now with this MK295 silent touch, supposedly silent touch, is that the keys are starting to stick together. So yeah, like I say, I eat at my desk, I do a lot of work here, so it does take its toll. So anyway, I'm going to open this up quickly and we'll have a look at what's inside. I'm pretty sure I can tell you what's inside, which will be keyboard, mouse, and the USB receiver. But let's just have a look anyway. Okay, get that done. Okay, there is the little mouse, which will be pretty much useless due to the size of my hand. I never use the mice that are included in these keyboards. Okay, something came flying out there. Batteries, which is good, means I don't need to buy batteries. And then the actual keyboard. So I'm hoping that it is the same kind of size as the one that I have just now, because I like the size that I have. So let's have a look. Take it out of this plastic. Some other stuff falling. Okay, and this is what I was really worried about, was that it wouldn't have these little clips so that it stands up. So actually the size is not bad, it's a little bit smaller, but yeah, you can see like that. Okay, so let's see how it feels when we press the buttons. Actually, it is a little bit louder than the silent touch, even though this is brand new and the silent touch is 6 months old now, or maybe 8 months old. It looks good. Comes with batteries, so yeah, that's what it looks like here. Comes with a little mouse. If you're interested in the mouse, let's just have a quick look. Personally, I don't really care about the mouse. It's way too small for my hand. Like, look at that. It's like for a dwarf or whatever you call little people these days. That's the mouse, guys. And together, this was about maybe 49 euros, 50 euros, something like that. So I will try it out and see how it goes. If not, I guess I'll probably order another Logitech MK295 black version. But I'll give this one a chance, the Logitech MK235. And that's it, guys, that's it, unboxing. Just a little tip as well, this always used to confuse me. The USB receiver, which connects both the keyboard and the mouse, sometimes it's inside of the mouse. And I remember doing another one of these on another channel and going live and not wanting to edit it, and it fits in there as well. So you can see there's a little like hole in there, so the USB receiver can fit in there as well. Yeah, not sure why they put it in different places. It's just how it goes. But if you can't find it, it's going to either be in the box. So here it's right there. You can take it out. And like I said, this is going to activate or respond to both your keyboard and your mouse. And it has up to 10 meters Bluetooth range. So that's pretty good. When I first started my online business 12 years ago, I would sit on my couch and I'd have the laptop and then an HDMI cable connected to my big flat screen, and I'd work like that on the couch. Now, you can only get so far doing that before you need a bit more of a setup, which is what I have now. So yeah, that's the MK235. I have to say, if I'm honest, I'm a little bit disappointed by how loud it sounds. I type quite hard. It does sound a little bit clacky to me. Just let's try this one again to kind of compare. Maybe best to take this off, I guess. I don't know, I just feel that this MK295 is a little bit more silent, or maybe not more silent, but the noise is kind of like suppressed a little bit. The other one does feel a little bit more clackety, so I'll see if I can get used to that. But yeah, anyway guys, just a short video of me changing keyboards. If you're interested in any more content, you know, give it a like, give it a subscribe, ask a question, happy to answer. And thanks for watching this, guys. See you soon.